The existence of hidden chambers within the pyramids has long captivated the imagination of historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts of ancient mysteries. These concealed spaces, shrouded in mystery, have been the subject of countless debates, theories, and explorations. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve deep into the evidence, theories, and recent discoveries surrounding hidden chambers in pyramids, unraveling their potential purpose and significance in ancient Egyptian culture. The enigma of the pyramids. The pyramids of Egypt, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, stand as architectural marvels of the ancient world. Constructed during the 4th dynasty under Pharaoh Khufu, the Great Pyramid is not only a testament to human ingenuity, but also a symbol of the profound spiritual beliefs of ancient Egyptians. For centuries, these structures have inspired awe and curiosity, giving rise to questions about their construction, purpose, and the possibility of concealed spaces within their massive stone walls. Historical accounts and early speculations. Historical accounts from ancient Greek historians, such as Herodotus, mention the existence of hidden chambers and secret passageways within the pyramids. Herodotus wrote of subterranean chambers and underground rivers, sparking the imagination of generations to come. While some of these accounts were based on observations, others were likely influenced by folklore and the mystique surrounding these monumental structures. The folklore must have spoken to observations, because the story grew so popular and the mystique surrounding these monumental structures. Theories about hidden chambers gained momentum during the 19th and early 20th centuries, when explorers and archaeologists began systematically investigating the pyramids. Early explorers often relied on brute force to uncover hidden spaces, leading to the discovery of some previously unknown areas, but also causing significant damage to the structures. These explorations laid the foundation for modern investigations, which employ advanced technology to probe the pyramids without causing harm. Homing discoveries and technologies. The advent of modern technology has revolutionized the study of pyramids. Non-invasive techniques, such as ground-penetrating radar, GPR, muon radiography, and thermal imaging, have enabled researchers to explore the internal structures of pyramids with unprecedented precision. These technologies have provided valuable insights into the construction and layout of pyramids, shedding light on the existence of hidden chambers. Would any radiography? One of the most groundbreaking technologies used in pyramid exploration is muon radiography. This technique involves detecting cosmic ray muons, subatomic particles that can penetrate solid structures. By analyzing the density variations within the pyramid, researchers can identify voids or hidden spaces. In 2017, a team of scientists using muon radiography discovered a large void within the Great Pyramid of Giza, located above the Grand Gallery. This discovery, known as the Scam Pyramid's Big Void, reignited interest in the possibility of hidden chambers and their significance. End of footnote. Thermal imaging. Thermal imaging has also played a crucial role in detecting anomalies within pyramids. By measuring temperature differences on the pyramid's surface, researchers can identify areas with varying thermal conductivity, which may indicate hidden chambers or passageways. In 2015, thermal scans of the Great Pyramid revealed anomalies in its eastern side, suggesting the presence of an unknown cavity or structure. Ground-penetrating radar, he told her. Ground-penetrating radar has been instrumental in mapping the subsurface features of pyramids and their surroundings. This technology uses electromagnetic waves to detect variations in the subsurface, providing a detailed picture of hidden chambers, tunnels, and voids. Recent studies have used GPR to examine lesser-known pyramids, uncovering hidden passageways and potential burial chambers that had remained undetected for millennia. Theories about hidden chambers. The purpose and significance of hidden chambers within pyramids have been the subject of extensive speculation. Several theories have been proposed, ranging from practical explanations to more mystical interpretations. Burial chambers and tombs. One of the most widely accepted theories is that hidden chambers were used as burial spaces for pharaohs and their consorts. The ancient Egyptians believed in an afterlife, and the construction of elaborate tombs was an integral part of their spiritual practices. Hidden chambers may have served as secondary burial spaces, storage areas for funerary goods, or decoy rooms to deter tomb robbers. Ultimately, its discovery and the identity of the tombs altered the legend of the tomb, altered the ritual, and decoy rooms to deter tomb robbers, symbolic and ritualistic purposes. Another theory suggests that hidden chambers had symbolic or ritualistic purposes. The alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies, such as the stars of Orion's belt, indicates a deep connection between the structures and the cosmos. Hidden chambers may have been designed to serve as portals or sanctuaries for spiritual communication, aligning with the ancient Egyptians' belief in the divine nature of their rulers. Preservation of knowledge. Some researchers proposed that hidden chambers were used to preserve knowledge and artifacts. According to this theory, these concealed spaces may contain ancient texts, maps, or objects of great historical significance, safeguarding them from potential destruction over millennia. Advanced engineering and construction techniques. The discovery of hidden chambers also raises questions about the engineering and construction techniques employed by the ancient Egyptians. The precision and complexity of these structures suggest a sophisticated understanding of architecture and mathematics. Exploring hidden chambers could provide valuable insights into the tools and methods used to construct these monumental edifices. The discovery of these complex decoy mechanisms. A fascinating possibility is that hidden chambers served as decoys to protect the main burial chamber from tomb robbers. Ancient Egyptians were acutely aware of the threat posed by looters, and their ingenuity in creating false doors, hidden passageways, and sealed chambers reflects their efforts to safeguard their sacred spaces. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite the excitement surrounding hidden chambers, exploring these spaces poses significant challenges. The pyramids are fragile structures, and intrusive methods can cause irreparable damage. Moreover, ethical considerations play a crucial role in archaeological investigations. The pyramids are cultural and historical treasures, and their exploration must respect the sanctity of these ancient monuments and the beliefs of the civilization that built them. And preservation versus discovery. Archaeologists and researchers face a delicate balance between preserving the integrity of the pyramids and pursuing new discoveries. Advanced non-invasive technologies have mitigated some of these concerns, but the potential for accidental damage remains. Preservation efforts must prioritize the long-term protection of these monuments for future generations. Cultural sensitivity. The exploration of hidden chambers also requires cultural sensitivity. The pyramids are not merely historical artifacts. They are sacred spaces with profound spiritual significance. Collaborating with Egyptian authorities and respecting local traditions are essential aspects of ethical archaeological practices. Recent discoveries and ongoing research. In recent years, efforts to uncover hidden chambers have intensified, yielding promising results. The Scan Pyramids project, an international collaboration of scientists and archaeologists, continues to employ cutting-edge technologies to study the pyramids. Their discoveries have not only advanced our understanding of pyramid construction, but also sparked renewed interest in ancient Egyptian history. The Big Void Mystery. The Big Void discovered within the Great Pyramid remains one of the most intriguing findings in recent years. Although its purpose and contents are still unknown, its sheer size suggests significant function. Researchers are exploring ways to access and study this void without compromising the pyramid's structural integrity. Discoveries in lesser-known pyramids. While the Great Pyramid garners much attention, other pyramids in Egypt also hold secrets. For example, recent investigations of the Bent Pyramid and the Red Pyramid have revealed hidden passageways and chambers, offering new perspectives on the architectural evolution of pyramid construction. Connections to ancient texts. Recent studies have also sought to connect physical discoveries with ancient texts, such as the pyramid texts and the coffin texts. These inscriptions provide invaluable insights into the religious beliefs and rituals associated with the pyramids, potentially shedding light on the purpose of hidden chambers. In other words, the pyramids taught us that the pyramid future directions and research. The field of pyramid exploration continues to evolve, with researchers developing new technologies and methodologies to unlock the secrets of hidden chambers. Collaborations between scientists, engineers, and archaeologists promise to yield further breakthroughs, expanding our knowledge of these ancient wonders. Conclusion. The existence of hidden chambers within pyramids continues to captivate scholars and enthusiasts alike. These concealed spaces represent more than architectural curiosities. They are windows into the beliefs, ingenuity, and aspirations of an ancient civilization. As technology advances, the mysteries of hidden chambers may gradually be unveiled, enriching our understanding of one of humanity's most enduring achievements. The coming out of humanity's most enduring achievements will take the demons into the pyramids and call them from a journey to uncover these secrets is far from over, and each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the enigmas of the pyramids. The fascination with hidden chambers lies not only in their potential contents, but also in the broader narrative they reveal about human history. By exploring these spaces, we honor the legacy of the ancient Egyptians and gain a deeper appreciation for their unparalleled achievements in art, science, and spirituality. The quest to uncover the secrets of the pyramids is a testament to our enduring curiosity and the universal desire to connect with the past. Once